Okay, so Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Learning AutoCAD. So today we are going to learn about circles and also arcs. So the circle commands is at the top right beside the polylines. So if you wanted to make a circle, just click on the command and click on the drawing grid. So by clicking this, you can adjust the size of the circle that you want. For example, if you want to have a 10 millimeter circle, just type number 10 and it will give you a size 10 circle. If you want to make a bigger one, for example 30, just type 30 and press enter. And you will have two different circle of different sizes. So in the circle commands, we have different kinds of types on how to draw a circle. So first, let's draw two identical lines beside each other. So let's see the circle commands. First, we have center radius, which is the default command, where you just find a center and insert your size. Second is the center and also diameter, which creates a circle using a center point, and a diameter. So this is basically the same as the first command. So you can just type in your diameter, and this is a 10 millimeter. Next is 2 point and also 3 points. So for the 2 points, just set two of your points and you will get a circle like this. For the 3 point, first you set your first point and then your second point. Then you can adjust it however you like. So the most basic and also important command for circles is actually the center radius and also the 2 points, which will be frequently used. Next is for the arcs. So let's delete this first. So arcs is basically just curved points at whichever place you would like to draw. So let's look at the commands. First, the default, we have 3 points. So in meaning 3 points, point number 1, point number 2, and you could adjust your arc. That's a 3-point arc. Next we have start, center, end. So basically they tell you the sequence for you to draw the arcs. So first we start with the starting point and then we begin with the center and also the end point of the arc. So let's try this first. First, the starting point. For example, we choose this midpoint, the midpoint, also the end. Okay, so basically that's all for circles and also arcs. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lesson. Beep 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 beep.